I'm stacking firewood out here. I bring it over here in this little wagon. Here, gotta get some. That one, that one. Okay. That was a great one. Come on, little puppies. Come on. Come on, little puppies. Yeah, little puppies. Yeah, little puppies. Come on. Come on. Come over to this one. Come on, little puppies. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on. Here's the little puppy. Little puppies. Come on. Come on, little puppies. That was actually pretty fat. Come on, little puppies. There you go, little puppies. Their mother was here earlier, kind of playing with them. Anyway, they don't have anywhere to go. They need a bigger box a little bit, though. They're little puppies. They're little puppies. Anyway, I'm trying to stack wood over here. Someone else I brought them some food. And someone else brought him a can of food down there. Little puppies. Okay, yeah. All right, see, there's the little spillway dam. And the house I stay in is over there. You can kind of see it. And I'm going to go by Picada David Picada. Now, the Picada is a bakery. I don't know how that comes up on Google Translate, but a Picada, if you see Picada, you go in, they'll have bread and snacks and whatnot. And I'm going to go by here, and then also about those puppies. See, now we're at the end of April. Those little puppies are 6 months old. They're still around. You see them here and there, sometimes playing. I'm going to set the camera down when I get up here because I don't know if people like having the camera pointed straight at them, but I wanted to get a little snack. And, let's see. Yeah. Double neutral. You mostly like chocolate or вишня z chocolate?
Właśnie to czekoladę, ja?
Tak,
Jeden.
jeden. Do widzenia. Yeah, see, it's like a... This is not exactly the same strudel that I see a lot of times. Translates to being about 45 cents for a little snack here. The bakery food's pretty cheap. Anyway, I'm going to walk this way because those puppies sometimes are out in the park playing or whatever. And it's kind of interesting to see. That's a place where you can buy the local caskets. And those are just kind of wood boxes. When someone dies here, They bury them like the next day. They don't wait 3 days, and they don't do much. They just put you in a wood box and bury you. Anyway, so then over this way you see them. One of the things that's kind of a negative is that they throw trash everywhere. You see trash just all over the place, you know. They don't have any recycling program really, but they could recycle just tons of plastic bags and little crates that come from the market. Anyway, there's the dumpster over there. Now I don't see any doggies out here. Anyway, that's like a middle school or high school. Today is Saturday, so I'm going to cut through their main driveway. It's okay, no one's around. I don't walk through here during the week. Now see, that lady's wearing a mask. Most people are not wearing a mask, but you do see them. Well, I don't see the puppies. Anyway, they're about 6 months old. They're still around. Another thing I don't like very much. I mean, I like a lot of things, but you know, things that bother me some, is that a lot of times the stray dogs are better off than ones that might get rescued. The ones that get rescued, most of them just end up being, you know, chained up in the yard on kind of a short chain, and then their only purpose is just to make noise if anyone, you know, walks by or comes up in the yard. So a lot of people just keep a dog just as the security system, you know, just to be an alarm if someone comes around. Anyway, I don't see the dogs. Anyway, sometimes there's dogs out here. And then, I don't know. The nearest big park is a little bit further than where I'm going to go. You got these old... See, the funny thing is that it's hard to rent an apartment. But as you can see, I mean, there are apartments everywhere. And this town had, you know, 18 to 20,000 people during its peak, you know, during its heyday, back in the 80s. I'll say the very peak, you know, was the 80s, before the fall of communism and you know, all of Eastern Europe changed at the beginning of 1990, at the end of 89. So this place has been just, their economy went down after that, not to mention the war, where so many things just got blasted to hell. You can still see, you know, bullet holes. You know, you see stuff like that everywhere, where the Croatian army blasted them, because this is really a Serbian town. Okay, how long is this video? Anyway, maybe I won't see the puppies today, but I wanted to include that. They're still around. Oh yeah, and when I took that one box out of the dumpster, this dumpster right here, well, I went back and got another box, just like the other one, and then I put them together to where just the one corner was open, and then I cut out that corner so they could get in and out a little better, and they hung around, and they eventually wandered off. Now see, I grabbed these wood crates, and then I chunk them over here where the firewood, the little firewood shed. I'll put this up later. But I break these down and use them to start the fire. Now we just put up all the firewood because we don't think we're going to need firewood anymore. But these are all the wood